percent in Yasem. Mini Ghana were problem. Mini Ghana government were problem. Mini Ghana people were problem. Percent in Yasem. Percent in Yasem. Not something that time. Now, what's your seven? Mama, Obian and I and ya, or to me, you two, no, go on, what's ya? Mu Chisani Panankoji.
Shatta Wale, and you soon, and the bread, Abamonte, Abekasa, Casabia, young pa. Every nimu I the epi, Adentia, or partners or no, to see an one industry boy. I know to watch radio stations for now, more discussing issues about him and MTB. TV stations are one Ade Baba, no per se, more yes, Shatta Wale, yet or yet, and I say, and some every Stonebowy and Shatta Wale, on me and Ninano. Stonebowy edited Shatta Wale attempt, or the Shatta and no edited attempt. Shatta Wale is also ending baby or both Stonebowy. Ebekano, Ebesheno, Ntono so sabi also do the same disability. The 9 the eternal and poor edited attempt. Ghana for a nipa bia, hypocrisy a yard also. Me I den pine baby no kredano, ne da to. Stonebowy a nya atum. Me catch him ne Stonebowy a obia. So any person a dealia, you have to be extra careful. Shatta Wale dear, what my Ghana for you who say, Shatta Wale dear, we kiki, na kuma hano, and no to win be about one time. So who deliver Shatta Wale? Uko siana unu Saturday say no tie but obi tse Stonebowy uko siana eso ontwene say abrante dey on bayeme na ka Stonebowy tim go gina stage adwene be na ba tim na ofrifie ekwa sabi otimi ede etuo ehye ne ho Ghana enye America we nyina Stonebowy eyeye Ghana for ye eye katasuma emu aso de achawo pakoma Shatta Wale court kona bla no mutwa so eno na chi no nansen aye na no krabofo e break on machiri wi and Shatta Wale so on wakobo no wo Stonebowy dey kan do Peter to so eno achi and Shatta Wale so to so Stonebowy muni yakum adentia was Shatta Wale e baby party a and nya de we de obekọ. Let's face the fact Stonebowy anya de yesi bibi ankoka papa anya trede so bibi ankoka papa anya trede eno abufuo na Shatta Wale so de e Stonebowy atem nya Shatta Wale so le ya no ababonti no odi atem dabi Saturday we say Ghana for no motra samodwene. Most people was social media benefit from Shatta Wale ho. Me kan ko da kire mu. Yes, Stonebowy obi no benefit from Stonebowy ho. Me kan asem da kire mu. Shatta Wale videos, feed bloggers. Sa radio station for yi o feed them with the video. We fa etimiya ska kra on YouTube edit didi. Stonebowy news by na ba for Stonebowy ho a amanfo tinfa ene ko to on YouTube edinya ska. Shatta Wale edru streeter, Shatta Wale ebro cash, or Steska, Stonebowy or yes ade no. It's a Stonebowy no munturofo. Or no yanfu to yes Shatta Wale. Ye can be on yanfu to a and yes Shatta Wale no atrafu to Stonebowy na enya atum. Shatta Wale enya atum. Made obia de bia no oya won say back door. Back door no and na woye eno abone na ni panim de o portray say de wo de we ni pass no obi no. Me say nipa no me hu a me hwe oye pa. Ba obi anipam omi ehu ne character the way ositia no say nipa me hu a menim say na otie nti me ba wani ma me no kwanfa so me ba but the way Ghana for be aye no hey Shatta fans for no me dwa won pa o Shatta fans for na ebi mo enya atwom samu ye bin fans for na mo hye da tane mo some Shatta Wale asam na mo ka san dia mo fa mo jimi fro onko ye kan ko ra kire mo this is the time wa asam so mo Shatta Wale asama most only job branch energy because Stonebowy and Ashachiro and now no edi bone na Shatta Wale so entimi hold na comment no osole ya no aba abonte no okekam enya so aba abonte be kekam keke bibi ta achire nti mo nka san Stonebowy no na so nya because Stonebowy ed Shatta Wale se na no so ya na no so and na Stonebowy Shatta Wale se on so no ne nan enye nti omumi enu nya no ekensi wa omumi enanim de nti omo ko san tokwa no etimunya na Ghana de ahumo bro and I say and this and that sa de na mo wan nkoso no obi di boni di obi a monka but obi ten say ya say nipa we na nye munya extra careful e wasaro man ekoso no yen go tie Shatta Wale nseme beto aba bonten na sabi etie wi a video so betwa bunya abofo mai do maso yasene tap send age ma de ko maso yasene person send this kafra mo no ne e ko Ghana tap and I make out for that man first app no be here a promo code Adwenepahene no obago bunya discount Announced by enterprise ebe yo POP ade amount and a destiny roofing and steel trusses so about that so I the amount say pepe. Diva organic skincare product. Diva almost USA. Also ma nkubapa e da asra. You go tell Shatta no mo semra na nipa etibiase na wunya benefit efri no ho a so respect say nipa no. Stonebowy we nya twom.
Me person me asem. Me mini Ghana what problem. Me mini Ghana government what problem. Mini Ghana people what problem. Me person me nya asem. Person me nya asem. Na asem nya time. Na kwasi asem be no no. Mu mama obi ane na ye ne ya otumi yituo na obubo bo nkofo so kwasia mu chisa ni pane nkoje me ame ma pastor say me see udana pastor ka say obusia obi we be wu we be yes we back mi ko ya ni mi ko je kebete ni na ni yeke kebete ni na life ten akesi where country ni mo ko ni le na the way ni na the way enya ji otun le tatata egba mi when a chance alive no say we a cripple and two bet why you two na abo ko e kwasa saba no we a cripple and two bet why you two what jini ana what jini ana say you be cripple so you go fit take gun and fire in here and point gun to people. Who show people that life? Say one man they talk sense, people know the see sense. Say it be cripple, so you go take gun. Kwasia. I tell you right now they say Kwame Dazi. Anybody you see Kwame Dazi, you people the Joy FM self video they forsake you. Cause if Joy FM people get sense, they go say you Kwame Dazi, you don't get sense to be on radio. Do you know the people that have known on radio from the 90s to now? Jimmy Semba, no. When you come radio, say somebody they pull gun. Somebody where you like the pain and they pull gun for people that are top. You people know. And the person a fool. Where will they talk? You won't come talk say, why are you insulting the cripples in Kwasi? Obi afraid cripples in Ghana. Obi afraid disability people for Ghana for something. Did somebody mention say all the cripples for Ghana they love them? Did somebody mention that? Say Mako Daniel Sam number say, you see those all things people they switch radio. And before and Ghana make it anybody where they watch those radio and TV entertainment shows, all those things they plan them. Or you know what the politicians? If it's the politicians where they go radio, maybe Iowa so South, MP, and maybe some other MP from another side, NBC. If it's they go sit radio, they plan go sit radio and lie. It will make people watch Good Evening Ghana. If the politicians go sit there, the things that they talk, it be real facts. But because people be stupid, them they be businessmen. So when they talk about the issues, they talk because there's money in there. If say they plan, say Mama and Akufado go plan and go sit for radio and Mama go talk this, you go talk this. Hey, they don't know they play. Okay, so Mr. Logic and you people you talk the negative side and you people to talk the positive side. So say you go make like the team balance. Kwasiya, muti radio so and I'm planning and I'm kwasiya. Obi oyito. Obi oyito cripple ni na ya oyito at the pointing go for government munkache government saying chino obi oyito ono etumi to no dey see you know how many times Stonebowy collect gun where people put them on top for akaye but ni oye mombo dear we dear ni oye hey American call dem that thing will happen for that awards night where Stonebowy comot gun. Do you know how many people they there? British High Commissioner they there, dignitaries they there, ministers they there. Where the boy comot gun. Where Jimmy Sanipe Kasana person Mukasa se mu onyan sambiama. Mu chovu cry, come dazi. You see that thing can right for them? You know go fit change anybody in mind. Right now Ghanaians they mind open. Your mother cry, you are your Joy FM boy, your mothers. Or if somebody need Joy FM to do something, your mothers, they are not Joy FM kind of mother. What's here? How you put it seriously? No, how you put it? How you put it? You say somebody steal somebody for you. What's here? You say government give me money, make I take do music. In my house, where I take do music, where I can't catch it. Your mother. Who come that woman? Me kwani mami che. Woman, me ni papa ni mami che. Who papa ni mami che. What Jimmy papa? Some person will teach you. I tell you, I'm teaching you, Musa. What's here? What Jimmy papa? No, somebody. And why is not the Disability Association of Ghana taking this on? Your mother disability. Your mother. Make somebody can take the. Make I got more different. What Jimmy papa? Make a day this Ghana here. As these problems they happen, where they complain and they talk about them, they make somebody feel say, Lord day, so they and that in a most Shatta Wale, my bottom. You boy, if you say maybe some minister go steal money and something like you go, oh let's go and the minister, then it go cost chaotic. The amuya no, and the believer back Ghana, and I send penny for no and see me. No more channel one check him. What do you understand? Obi o yitu. Obi on na ya ya or to me to the sink of so guy no mobile. So baby if like the pain so the way he did no so no let's go come on my Jimmy see many of you where they social media where they come and come the right from things we will know what you go pain I come pain because why you school in Jumanya, young trainer, until there, Quasia Senkwana Betcha, see ya. You do somebody in company, you come that you tell who you Jumamobi, and I try every month. I do for someone answer. Who can send me a try me every month? Quasia. Who can be try me every month? What Jim Papa only drive from you tell me cry, Quasia. They can write it, somebody can send you, and that be where you feel bad because Quasia. Say they feel bad. How they do me? Me I be tree. Me I be ice block. Me I be concrete. Me I they tell you. I know they part of that your foolish industry where people they organize yourself and do yourself like you be in that. I know they part of that foolish thing. I have said it so many times. But our leaders self, they know they listen because I'm more Pakistan, I'm question assembly and harm. So if you did that, then you never say, no, what are the right to be saying? Come down there, me check cry, catch your mommy say, me show share video we not on catch us me say they check. Kwasia. Opinion who say, oh no, okay, what Shatta is saying, let's go. Me see, and Kabuba mi moja. Because I saw someone shooting me. Because I said I'm here no. Moi mo say, mo dia mo fa law not to mo say. Mo fa law not to mo say. Enti ya say bibia ho, e be kana, e share na. Hey. Asia, muti on a pastor seka and then go what I do wrong. As pastor talk say me I go die, me they go shoot me. Nobody says I panic. Nobody even says me I panic. Because you Shatta there, you be ice block. Shatta Wale baobab tree. Nobody panic. Past people here so they say Shatta die. They say they shoot Shatta. That one get like 50 police cars. IGP they call my father. IGP they call my father. This one they call my father. They call me. Oh Charlie, they want. Oh Charlie, what's your country? If man they talk, then somebody go there and stupid like no sense talk, foolish talk, inquisitive talk. Nobody they think like proper human being because my Jimmy wa. So when I'm some person go abuchi, who can say life will be to go live abuchi? Who can say life will be to live? Go check abuchi. If you abuchi, if you old man, if you what I say, and you violate. Even come out gun and they do that nonsense thing. If they go give you jail, they go give you jail. If they go give you jail, they go give you jail. Shouts to mo abrochie no. Amoni ebie no. Ghanaians amon to kwa abrochie. Amu say hey Ghana omuni edi agro. O ti Ghana kwa siasem obi ka bia na because we year school when you juma enti o feel say oh okay now we use school kwa sianya sana mutumi fa nye hwe no. Oh me defense or we defense for class but we use school nye juma kwa sia now but no be kan kwa siasem on doing ka jeni say eh de o kan kwa siasem o. Why Shatta Wale and I'm shocked why they Mbekasa against Disability Association the association. Come down the Jim Papa. So sir ideology na mudi set nkofo team no. Ghana nkofo bebre yin o. Nkofo bi atwe bie. Enti wo ye kwasia. Radio station a wo ye adwuma no, wo ye kwasia fo so wo employ wo say wo be adwuma wo. Wo ye kwasia fo. Some way be say, oh no, see them. Chale Ghana. All those people they talk. I'm not gonna waste time. I'm not gonna waste money. Say go pay lawyer. Make I take them go court. It be waste of time. Even I'm paying for they want to know. Now what nonsense we recently I see some police why I say I'm a cyber crime unit. So what do they understand my cyber crime unit? But so it's for fraud test. No. It is a cyber crime, you know, be for fraud alone. It's a whole broad topic on its own. Cyber crime. Oh, Jim Papa, Muka say, to me posting me on internet, so now I say, Mr. McCamadre, that's my opinion. Me show be me my bread Ghana no. Ghana no my bread Ghana. Until me show be any. Apart from my fans, where they watch them. Because I motivate them, make them make life them our own. Who they make life better for you? Come there. What they make? You what life they live where I for copy your life and see your life say it be motivation for me. Why Jim Papa who said to say kuntum blancy? What sia? Where can say? Obi awane. What sia? What Jim Papa? What motivation you want give me? Not motivation the way you go figure me. You come now. No motivation the way you. Why Jim Papa? Oh, mommy, check that. Oh, mommy, true mukwa. Who are funny wife true? What Jim Papa? I don't want to say. Obiani na yani ya gebe na we to public. Nipa nu enye say oyi to nkwan. This time oyi to what general public. Or say police are arresting one called jail. Me and me pastor can't say me you be shooting me. That is threat in the first place. Number two, nobody feels say a panic because me Shatta be ice block. Or Shatta there say obi be born to the say Shatta there or ice block. See a four. That you know the trauma where people put me through. If you say I be strong boy, you know the trauma where I go through. But I be strong boy. What Jim Papa? So na meka nkwasa semse mu onya sambiama like mu kasa na mu nje kasa no na me kasa asia kwame dazi make you can't take me on, make you take me on your mother the whole relationship they wait for you they were father. What Jimmy Papa? Oh, you know the thing even they talk, you know the thing why they talk here. No, that most of you poor for them. Can't show me your artist where you go feel rank with me for this industry inside. What see ya? You know they hear me say I said I do Shatta music. Nipa catch him several times. Say I no be industry boy. But if you're not going to find the topic, not with that tour, because you want to get mileage, like you want to get something like trending, and I'm with your truth. Because trending, for trending, copy a bank account. Who want make check for trending? When I come here, and somebody come and Shatta there and become live, because you want trend. I want trend for what? I mean, it's my serious matter. They were politicians, because some politicians who they were parliament house in Yama. Who politicians they were parliament house? That's what planning on. Sikenti. Sika enti. Chimoti on amoye massa I beg. Oh yes, our massa. Yes, our massa boss. Where Jim Papa? Where Jimmy rock? Where Jimmy na one? Some squad. What? My Ghana make a test. I say if you watch UTV, Those kind of them are programs they do for them. They plan them before they will come sit that TV top. They, I know. So if you come, you go can't talk this one. Like to go talk this one. Okay, so if we did decide, okay, so the next topic too is about Shatta Wale. My Shatta Wale, no. So Obiang corner so. So every day go find somebody new for YouTube. We go come. Then Shatta there on board there. Shatta there on here. If Ghana police, want know who me Shatta Wale be? Make they ask them about patrol teams. Whether they patrol for Accra, for Kumasi, for Tamale, for Volta, for everywhere. Say who be Shatta Wale? I never disrespect any policeman on the street before. Me, I never disrespect any police for this gang I cry here for the street before. Unless the policeman don't know me, they won't talk basa basa. But anything I talk to Ghana police about, if it's me and the patrol teams where they are, anytime I see police for Accra, where I stop, me brothers, me big brothers. I don't care who put police they drive any patrol team. I they talk to them with respect. But I'm more police for no more office no. They be not watching in Peace FM, Hit FM, no muting. I'm say me Shatta Wale. But if I like the police people, they get mind of watching the country every evening. This thing every time Shatta Wale they come online and they can talk. They for them a patrol say Shatta moon or public or to say. Shatta moon or public or to say like how is Shatta on the streets? Tell us. And let your police force tell you how I am. Me to chase patrol team, me to chase police patrol team now I stop you now I catch them say person me check on paper some you almost some say hey Shatta be me nya bibi kakra me ma Ghana police cause and you say me mom bribe for anything. These are hard working men working in the night in mosquitoes. But those of you in the office, you are listening to Peace FM, UTV. So when I'm talking, you see me like I'm disrespecting. Because you're not even watching what is going on. Then you watch me, and then somebody will come in, Ghana police, they forgot. Then if you get office, because you know they do patrol. You know how many old men I see doing patrol in Ghana? Sometimes they touch my heart. When I see them, I won't give them block. I won't give them money. Nobody said they asked me for bribe. No Ghana police has ever asked me for bribe before. Never in my life. But when I see them and they feel the pain, say, hey, Obi Papa na wape Gina barrier at 2 a.m. and not stop cars. No. No. So when I see them, I show appreciation. Why is Ghana me? No. It belongs to everybody in Ghana. The money I make is not for only me. It's for Ghanaians. Because when Ghana is better, my kids are going to have a better life. Everybody's going to have a better life. What the fuck? What the fuck? Then when you put there, you won't give me problem, make it look like, because say, that's the other trying, no, police, because, Joy FM, police for your office, your patrol team, okay, let's go, Shatta. Obi from me, they may hear no. I was the Ghana police. Ask all your patrol team, arrange them, assemble them, and ask them who Shatta Wale is on the streets. That is reality. Stop listening to those foolish radio stations. Stop listening to those foolish TV programs. Because it's been couched, it's been planned. They want to show you who is the best artist in Ghana. I am the fucking Ghana's favorite artist. Nobody day where favorite, where Ghanaians they love and pass me. You're modest. You know the love I have for Ghanaians. If I disrespect, like no Ghanaian ever will come to my show. If I disrespect, like if I go out, no people don't go call me. I've never disrespected anybody on the streets of Ghana. What is all this disrespect? In Ghana police, they sit there, they watch. And these people are posting things on the internet. That is another cyber crime. Cyber crime is not only about people defrauding people. People are lying about people's personalities. People are defaming people's personalities online. And that's what you guys have to check. Don't be sitting at your offices, then you be listening to Peace FM, then listen to Joy FM, and think what I say is true. What the fuck? That was the Ghana police. If you want to doubt me, If you want to see if I respect or not, if you want to see if I'm arrogant or not, if you want to see if I'm disrespectful, if I'm the most arrogant boy in Ghana, ask your patrol teams. That's why you deploy them. Ask them. Ask your patrol teams. Ask your patrol teams. Who is Shatta Wale on the street? That is reality. Not that you tune into a radio station, a foolish and you just see, or a foolish Kwame Darcy will be saying some nonsense things on the radio. Then you just understand what he's saying. It's a planned thing they are doing. Don't let them make me disrespect you people more and more. Those of you in the offices of the police force, stop doing that. You want to know how Ghana is faring? The patrol team is not only out there for armed robbers. They are there to check people in the country. They are not only there for, where is your license, where is your number? They are not only there for that. There are a whole lot of duties to the police when they are patrolling in the night, in the afternoon, in the morning. Ask your motorbikers, ask everybody. Say, have I ever disrespected any of them before? %99% of Ghana police, where they do patrol team, they go tell you who be Shatta Wale. Because they using radio. Say, radio. And them are Rwanda war about radio. And them are anybody will not go watch Rwanda, Hotel Rwanda. After I do this video, go watch Hotel Rwanda. Go watch Hotel Rwanda. It not be anything where you make war come Rwanda. It be radio. Just one foolish presenter like Kwame Dazi and the Dusty. Abeku Santanamu, Akosea Bajimo. Like foolish presenter like that caused war in the country. Like somebody's destroying, and I keep repeating myself, I keep saying this. So are there no leaders in this country? But the leaders are listening to radio. They are not like the police that do patrol team. People's fathers that stay in the mosquitoes, in the cold, in the rain. Sometimes I can be driving in the rain and you see police patrol team part in the rain. And have to show them love. Not that they will ask me for bribe. Ghana police has never asked me for any bribe before. I've never seen a policeman who has forced me to take money for or extort money from me. No. I see them and I pity. I see them like, hey, Obi Papa no wabe we uncle so wada. But I'm penny for no. I'm offices so. And I'm Joy FM, Peace FM, and your friends saying need FM, sa stations no. And I'm judge Shatta Wale. Hey, I'm police. I'm penny for that more officer no. I'm patrolling now more come. I'm boy Juma. I'm checking for. I'm young part. Obi and disrespect your more streets so. If you want to see it, IGP yourself. Come and do patrol and meet me on the street and see if I'll disrespect you. What is so nice? The only safety in my career is that when I'm driving car and I see police, I feel so cool. Because if you want me, come baby, oh, Charlie, come on, oh, okay, Shatta, yeah, patrol team. They can even call the next patrol team at the next place to escort me. Because I don't see them go, police has always been said and tuned into our brains that the police is your friend. Me, I don't care how anybody sees police. But me, I want to feel safe. So anytime at daytime, I keep the police in mind. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? The people, if you write those things, then police phone come out bremo. Who radio station come out bremo. Police station phone come out bremo. Because because the call them person maker. Obi a wako itu. Muntu menka say no, it's not a good habit. No, try no more cover so. So Stonebowy be no more cover so. Me dem no mutu me escalating. Mutu me escalating na I say oh Shatta oh akwala no ho ye mobo oh the way oh ye no oh adena Shatta oh akwala no na makotuna TV. Oh let's discuss about Shatta Wale. I say I'm not an industry boy. Anybody way you could discuss me for any of your entertainment platform, obedu mami check. Anybody way could discuss me, obedu mami check. I no go miss anything. I go make your mama check. No mama ati na kan osia. Wo am ko be ka cho sa kwa no se on pese on be kan wasa na mo kan wasem. O se on kan mo. Mumu si mo ya school. E wo area mu. Enti mo imagine mo be school e wo Nima. E na school no Nima. Me Nima boys. Ye ni mu school but they be na mu student. We free mu school abata so on Nima boys be talk. Ye be bunu. You don't mind if we cripple, we go beat down. Because as you come one at time, you know they can show we respect. We go beat down. Forget that people know they understand sense, eh? You know they understand sense. Somebody say you know be industry boy. The same way they talk about police, it's the same way fans, Ghanaians made Shatta Wale no be radio station, TV station. It's me pamucha. Ghana police. Phobia offices be more. I said, if you want to get to know me, ask your patrol team. Arrange them, assemble them right now, and ask them who I am. They'll tell you they are the people protecting the land. You don't need any. If you're a security force and you want to understand Shatta Wale, sometimes they see me and they say that they're walking on their but no, you are making your patrol teams even suffer because they are scared to even tell you, Master. Shatta on kan wan se no me do bibia akwa no ntesa nkofo no e plan no ma plan no ma pe mo bloggers so tro ni ama no mu office no I don't know Shatta why sir and Shatta why are you doing that obi anya me ahia me say me nya skase na me Jimmy ju ho se ya na obi anya me ahia me na me nya ska na ma ba internet na me kan ma be check na mo ka o ka say it's pain. I'm feeling pain. And the pain, I'll produce it like this. So you feel my anger. One time, they are defaming me with their stupid so-called radio stations. And I've told them, I don't have time to go and pay for lawyers to sue them because they don't have money. I'm just going to waste my time. Taking all those foolish people to court. So Ghana police, if you put your leg down and make a statement that Shatta says is not part of Ghana music industry, it is my right. The same way somebody's right to join NDC and MPP. It's my fucking right to choose what I want to do with my life in this country. I have fans. I know how I deliver my music to my fans. I know how I want to communicate with my fans. If people can't check this cyber crime and cyber stuff, and you only see cyber crime as fraud, Sakawa boys, you are making a mistake. It's getting into my head too much. I don't want anybody to see me like the way I don't want to react for Ghanaians to see it like some way. I'm ready to make my blood pour down. Because I'm not ready to take any nonsense from anybody. That to be friends say, Shatta, hey, let's go and say, I want this someone shooting me. This someone shooting me. And they talk the fact, like I could die for Ghana pregnant. So more, you know, people are not paying attention. Your patrol teams out there are working hard. As I'm talking, there are patrol teams all over. Working, checking, doing whatever. These are like our brothers and sisters that are on the streets in the sun working. When I see them, they don't disrespect me. They don't tell me that Shatta, I had an hour, yes, they don't do that. They receive me and protect me like the way you have taught them as a Ghana police force. But if you're in your office and you are listening to radio and you are hearing a stupid Anidusty, a stupid Pamidazi, or stupid Abeku Santana, or a stupid, all those stupid people. I could say Abwaji and Olamide and those unknowns, you are listening to them on TV and radio. Then you think what they are saying is true. Then you are making a mistake. You are making a mistake. Because I'm not disrespectful like that. They have plan, and that's what they do. They have plan. And that plan means not going to work here. For a year, for Shatta movement, you know go work.
Adwenepahene otwa supre kwabrafo waye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu wode putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo fufuo